In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly join curves using a design tool to help you achieve a flawless finish in your projects. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through every step of the process to ensure that your paths and shapes are perfectly connected. So, let's get started. First, you need to select the curves you want to join. It's important to note that these curves should be open paths and not closed shapes, as joining closed shapes won't work for this particular process. Take a moment to identify the paths in your design that you want to connect. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to activate the Node tool. This is commonly achieved by using the shortcut key A on your keyboard. The Node tool is essential for manipulating the paths and allowing you to easily connect the curves, so be sure to select it from your toolbar before proceeding. With the Node tool activated, direct your attention to the Context toolbar, where you'll find the Join Curves button. This feature will enable you to seamlessly connect the ends of your selected curves. But before you click on that button, there's one more thing to do. Now it's time to select the end nodes of each curve you wish to join. What's great about this tool is that simply selecting the curves and hitting the Join button will automatically have the software pick the nearest end nodes for you. This handy feature saves time and streamlines the process, especially in complex designs where manually selecting nodes can be tedious. Once you've prepared everything, go ahead and click the Join Curves button. If the end nodes of your curves are exactly overlapping, you'll find that no additional segment will be added between them. However, if the nodes are apart, the tool will create a straight segment to join them, ensuring that your design maintains its integrity without any gaps or misalignments. This automatic feature offers flexibility and precision, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your work without getting bogged down by technical details. Finally, if your objective is to transform the connected paths into a closed shape, for instance, if you're planning to fill the region with color or another design element, you may want to utilize the Close Curve button available in the Node tool's Context toolbar. This step can complete the shape, making it a fillable region and providing a polished look to your design. And just like that, you've effortlessly joined your curves, transforming your paths into the cohesive shapes or objects you envisioned. By following these steps, you can enhance the professionalism of your designs while saving time and effort. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful for your creative endeavors.